Can urban agriculture help solve climate change? The UC Gill Tract Community Farm is an urban farm located in Albany, California. It was built out of a collaborative venture of the community and members of the UC Berkeley College of Natural Resources. Originally belonging to the Ohlone tribe, the land was taken by the Spanish government in 1820. In 1928, UC Berkeley acquired the land from the Gill family, who were horticulturists.
We're lucky that we have this collaborative relationship with the university. Land in urban areas tends to be more expensive, and especially in our area, we know how prohibitive it is to get a hold of land.
Transforming Gill Tract land into an organic farm and an urban carbon sink took some effort.
In 2011, Occupy Wall Street happened. Healthy systems needed to deal with the climate crisis that was ever expanding. A splinter group called Occupy the Farm was formed. It was primarily led by UC students and some support of UC professors. They cut the chains on the gates in the spring of 2012, came in with 15,000 plant starts, planted them, set up tents, and for 3 weeks tended these new seedlings. Every time we replant, that builds up the soil layers, makes it more healthy for the organisms that live there, which contribute to breaking down nutrients for the plants to thrive. So it's a win-win, growing food more healthfully and keeping carbon in the soil.
More green matter in urban spaces means more carbon stored in plants and soil, instead of trapping heat in our atmosphere. Many urban farms follow sustainable practices that release less carbon than conventional agriculture, like non-till farming. That's when farmers don't plow the soil after harvest. If they were to till the land, that would release carbon.
And it also destroys the natural soil structure that develops on agricultural land, the web of microorganisms that live there, and all the other living things.
The Gill Tract serves an important purpose for the local community by promoting urban agriculture and food justice.
We distribute to people in need through other service organizations, food pantries, people serving the houseless communities, and also participate in things like our weekly farm stand. We do not charge for anything that leaves our land. We ask people to give what they can.
To learn more about how to support the Gill Tract or start your own urban farm, visit climatebreak.org.